Today I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies, so let's get to it. Okay, so first we have the cheese. It's such a good squishy, like, oh my god, I love it. But it's like so trendy as well. I got this one from Shein, but like, I think this one's sold out now because like, I got it a bit earlier than everybody else. But this is amazing, like, I recommend this if you can find it in stock. Next we got this one. I don't really like it because it's like water and I don't like water squishies, but it's still fine. It's pretty, I guess. Next we have the strawberry squishy, but like it's like I really like it to be slow rise, not like just come back at instant, so I don't really like it. It smells of strawberries though, which is nice. Then the OG foam squishy, the butter, like this is way better than the strawberry because look how slow rising it is, like hello. Then we got a fake dumpling, but it has Orbeez in it. Another Orbeez stress ball thing, which I quite like actually. Sand squishy. Then I have this peach squishy I got from Amazon. It's so good. But there's a bit of air in it, but it's like so good. I love it so much. Nido fuzz ball. I love the fuzz balls. This is like so good. Got this ball in orange. Also in green. We got this old one that I hate. Nido gumdrop. So good. Got this apple. Like coconut oil apple. It's so good and so slow rising if you like slow rising squish. Capybara. Fake popsicle Nido. Jelly squish. Baby swell. Big swell, little foam squishy, baby nice cube, and this is my favorite one, this balloon squishy that I made, but it's actually so good. Like hello, and it's also color changing. It has little bits in it, so it's like really nice. Then we got this sand ball. And this is just one of my Tabba squishies. I have 5 billion, but Tabba squishies. Okay guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. Bye!